News update for the northeastern region. Nepal's cable television providers on Thursday said signals for Indian news channels except Doordarshan have been switched off in the country. There is, however, no official order issued in this regard. The female ward of two main government hospitals in Tripura capital, Agartala, were closed on Thursday evening due to coronavirus spread. 3 nurses at GVP hospital were tested COVID-19 positive. The Udalguri chapter of Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad on Thursday observed the 72nd Foundation Day as National Students' Day at Assam's Udalguri town on Thursday. However, the celebration was conducted maintaining all the social distancing norms of the COVID-19 pandemic. Along with other parts of the country, the plasma therapy to treat COVID-19 patients has been started in Assam. Sharing the news on his Twitter handle, Assam Health Minister Hemanta Biswa Sarma on Thursday said, "Compliments to our doctor as we started plasma therapy today. People in Meghalaya will now have to pay a fine of ₹500 if they are found to have violated the COVID-19 protocols. The protocols include wearing of mask, maintain social distancing and not to spit in public areas." Professor Jay Prakash Verma on Thursday took charge as the Vice Chancellor of Sri Sri Anuradha Deva Sports University at Sabua in Dibrugarh, which is the first sports university of its kind in Assam. With the aim to boost all-round development of sporting activities in Assam in a scientific way, the university was established by the government of Assam via the Assam Sri Sri Anuradha Deva Sports University Act of 2018. Former Assam Chief Minister Tarun Gogoi has urged the government to release KMS's Chief Akhil Gogoi and other arrested leaders of the outfit. Pigeons leader Gogoi has been lodged in jail since December 2019 on several charges, including sedition and instigation of violence during the Citizenship Amendment Act protest. All India Limited has provided compensation of ₹9 crore as immediate relief to the people who have been affected by the massive fire at Bagjan. Resident Chief Executive of Oil on Thursday sent a letter to Tinsukia Deputy Commissioner Bhaskar Pegu regarding the compensation provided to the affected people of Bagjan. Director of National Ayush Mission in Odisha, Bibhu Prasad Sarangi, was arrested for sexually harassing a woman employee of office in Bhubaneswar on Thursday. Sarangi, an Odisha Administrative Service officer, was arrested after hour-long interrogation by women police. Manipur's Chief Minister N. Biren Singh on Thursday said that all households of the state will be provided with tap connections by 2022. All habitants in rural area will be covered through piped water supply so that poor and marginalized people get tap connection in household premises, said Singh while taking to the Union Minister of Jal Shakti Gajendra Shekhawat over video conferencing. That's all from the northeastern region. Reporting Govindha Karki, our voice.